This Skeletor is from the very first wave of He-Man, the 5-inch origin line. The line that came out that was inspired by the 1982 or 84, I think 82, 5-inch figure line. This is obviously just the plain standard Skeletor. I didn't do anything to the head sculpt. I drilled holes inside of the ram's head where the horns are because they were just closed in like they normally come, just one piece of plastic. And I went with a black base, and I went over top it with some gray with some faint airbrushing, trying to shade techniques that I thought I was doing a great job at, but I'm not trying to say whatever. Still need a lot of room to grow, but I can definitely tell this is probably, now looking back on it, I see a whole bunch of stuff on it that I would probably fix now, but I'm going to leave it the way it is. But I thought it turned out pretty good for my very first custom. Changed everything up, just made it black and gray, and the cape or headpiece, you want to call it, on them that I have that's ripped up, I found that under my bed. That's just like I found it. Didn't put the holes in it. I don't even know where it came from. I was looking for something to put over top of him, top of his head, and have some sort of cape. Very, very quick and cheap way to make a cape, as you can tell. But yeah, this is my very first custom. Thank you guys for watching.